Is it visible to you all, the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday we told the pair of linear equation, solvation of pair of linear equation in graphical method. Yes, that we did. Somebody are still joining. I told before 5 minutes only enter. Still joining, late joiners. Huh? Graphically, how to solve the pair of linear equation? There are three possible in the graph. Either the two lines are intersecting in case 1, A bit, and in case 2, they are parallel joining, and in case 3 they are coincident lines. There are three possible ways if you draw the graph of pair of linear equation in two variables. Yes, that we did the graph yesterday. We got one solution, the intersecting lines you have drawn. Now today what you have to do means at home, example 2 is there na, 2x plus 3y is equal to 9, 4x plus 6y equal to 18. These are the two equations. You have to draw the graph. That graph you have to draw at home. You will get a coincident lines. Means both graphs will plot on the same line. On the same line you will get it. Okay, that graph you have to complete at home. Example 2 and example 3 also. See, x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0 and 2x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. This graph also you have to do. Somebody under Galaxy Venkatesh, I told to you, you are not under your name. Okay, you draw this graph. Still are admitting, still are joining. Is a problem in the middle. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You have to come. You have to draw the two graphs, and second graph will come like this parallel lines. Okay. First one will come in coincident lines. Second graph, example 3 will come is parallel lines. These two graphs you have to complete today. Okay, at home. Understand? You have to draw these two graphs.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday I did intersecting lines. Today coincident lines. Example 2 and example 3 parallel lines. These are two graphs you have to draw. So if you draw pair of linear equations on the graph sheet, there are three possible ways. One is they are intersecting. Second one is they are coincident lines, and third one is they are parallel. Okay, and now we have exercise there 3.1. In that word problems are there. Those word problems just you have to represent algebraically and graphically. No need to solve. Just you have to convert in the form of pair of linear equations only. The questions are there in exercise 3.1. First question is there. Just I am reading the question. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you, but then also 3 years hence still are they are admitting. I told her, you be joined before 5 minutes. After 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent the situation algebraically and graphically. I will show to you algebraically. You have to draw the graph later. But today you should do those two examples. Homework you complete. But this one I can give tomorrow. If possible, you can do it this also graphically. Okay. Now I am sharing the screen. Is it visible, the sharing screen to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Is it visible?
Sir.
Now still somebody joined. Now joined. I told you come. So the question is, Aftab tells to his daughter, 7 years ago, his age was 7 times to his daughter. That means we have to suppose the present age of Aftab's age be, let Aftab's present age be X years, let his daughter's age be Y years. Okay, understand? Both they
Yes, sir.
still they are joining. I told in the middle. Huh? Let Aftab's age, present age be X years and his daughter's age be Y years. Okay, and then next. Okay, and now 7 years ago. 7 years ago means we have to subtract 7 years from their present ages. 7 years ago, Aftab's age equal to X minus 7. 7 years ago, his daughter's age equal to Y minus 7.
Y minus 7.
You have to subtract 7 years, both ages, X minus 7, Y minus 7. Understand? And now, according to problem, the condition what? Aftab's age is 7 times to his daughter. That means Aftab's age means X minus 7, 7 years ago, equal to 7 times to his daughter. 7 of Y minus 7.
7.
Now all are understand the condition. One you respond, one unmute your phone and respond. Then I can continue. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 7 years ago, Aftab's age is 7 times to his daughter. That means X minus 7 is equal to 7 of Y minus 7. Okay. And now multiply by 7. Next step, X minus Y equal to 7 into Y, 7Y minus 7 sevens are 49. Now transpose variables to LHS and numbers to RHS. I transpose 7 to LHS plus 7y becomes minus 7y, and I transpose minus 7 to RHS plus 7. Then X minus 7y is equal to minus 42. That is the first equation. Understand everyone the first equation? How you got it? Okay. This is the first equation. X minus 7y equal to minus 42. Understand everyone? Now the second condition in the question is after 3 years hence means after 3 years. After 3 years means for their present age we have to add 3 years. So after 3 years Aftab's age is equal to X plus 3, and then next after 3 years his daughter's age is equal to Y plus 3. Now the according to problem the condition is 3 years hence Aftab's age is 2 times 3 times his daughter. So X plus 3 equal to 3 of Y plus 3. Understand? Everyone? Once you unmute and tell the answer, then I continue. Unmute your phone and you say continue. Okay. X plus 3 equal to 3 of Y plus 3. Then X plus 3 equal to 3Y plus 3 3s are 9. Now also have to transpose variables LHS plus 3Y transpose to LHS and plus 3 transfers to RHS. Now X minus equal to 6. That is the second equation. But now note down this one, everyone. Note down your notebooks. You have notebook with you? Note down. Roughly you can note down, everyone. These are two equations. You got X minus 7y equal to minus 5 to X minus 3y equal to 6. Note down. Can I go back once, sir?
Yes, sir.
Once I'll go back. See, starting answers I'll keep. I can share. You see, starting answers you enter. Okay. Starting only that one. Left of course is the percentage you can write. Left of course percentage you mentioned. Write fastly. We have only half an hour time. Write down fastly, kindly.
In rougher classwork, sir.
Rough work you write now. Now write rough work.
Okay, sir.
Fastly, na. That's why you write rough work.
Okay, sir.
You can write rough work fastly. Arey Nitish. Nitish.
Yes, sir.
It is Zoom okay only. I should not say anything. Comments on the in the comments. Very good. Are you following? Are you following now? Have any problem?
Yes, sir.
Have you any problem now?
Yes, sir.
Something you kept. Don't keep like that, Amma. Okay. It is good only, but some benefit is there, some problems are which are benefits we can take. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Is it good only? Now enter. Copy them all fastly. If it is okay, then I will move the next content. First equation, up to first equation I kept. Completed means you can tell.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Completed all.
Sir.
Maulavi, Aurama. Maulavi. Okay. Now I am moving. Second equation part. That is the answer. Second up to second equation now. Now first answer completed. Just he told to represent the situation algebraically means frame the linear pair of linear equations. Graphically, you can do it at home. You can do it. You can draw the graphs for them. Ma, when you are drawing graphs, the point solutions must be integers only, not rational numbers. Fractions should not get, only integers. Try to get integers only when you are preparing the coordinates while drawing the graph. Okay, suppose if I take x equal to suppose 1, if I take 1, I will get a rational number. So I can't take 1 here. Then I can take x equal to 0. I can take x equal to 0. If I take x equal to 0, 7y equal to minus 42, y equal to 6. So 0, 6 my solution. Like that, integers only have to select the solutions. Understand? Okay.
Yes, sir.
And now
Yes,
we can
sir.
take minus 7 also, which are going in 7 table. We can take minus 7 also. Completed. If you complete, I can go to next second sum.
Sir, completed. Sir.
Completed? Okay. And now the second question is here the cost of three balls and the cost of 3 bats and 6 balls cost is 3,900 and next the cost of and 1 more bat and 3 more balls cost is 1,300. Prepare a linear equation, pair of linear equation, 2 variables. The question is, okay, for that also here what it means, let the cost of okay. Now in the second question he gave the cost of 3 bats and 6 balls is 3,900 and cost of 1 bat and 3 more balls cost is 1,300. Represents the situation algebraically and graphically. Then here also you have to find the cost of a bat and cost of a ball. That's why we can take let the cost of a bat be x rupees first, and then second the cost of a ball be y rupees. Then in first case the total cost of 3 bats and 6 ball is 3,900. 1 bat cost x rupees means 3 bats cost is how much? 3x. 6 balls cost is 1 ball cost is y rupees. Then 6 balls cost is 6y rupees. Total means 3,900. Therefore, the first equation is 3x plus 6y equal to 3,900. Okay. And second situation, cost of 1 more bat and 3 more balls cost is 1,300. So here also 1 bat means x rupees, 3 balls means 1 ball cost is y rupees, 3 balls cost means 3y. Then the second equation is x plus 3y is equal to 1,300. So these are the two equations. First equation is 3x plus 6y equal to 3,900. Second equation is x plus 3y equal to 1,300. So this also you have to draw the graph. Okay, now copy it. The second equation, exercise 3.1, second question answer, second solution answer. You can copy roughly, fastly. copy it, and if you over, then unmute one student and give the answers are completed. Neatly copied.
Completed.
Rough work, and you should not do rough. Don't write in a rough work type. Neatly copy.
Completed, sir.
Hey, Manoj.
Completed, sir.
Okay. Now we are.
Completed, sir.
Write down. Fastly. 30 minutes time only. Here we have to represent the word problem into pair of linear equations only. Just your representation only. You no need to solve. Understand? You are not solving. But graphically, if you can possibly, you can do it. After doing graphically, said na, you draw the graph, then you know that. Is it okay? Over. Ma, don't draw that arrow marks. I can observe. Draw those arrow marks. Don't draw. Over. Now we are entering the third solution. In this third solution, one fruit seller purchased 2 kgs of apples and 1 kg of grapes for rupees 160, and in another day he purchased 4 kgs of apples and 2 kgs of grapes for 300. And represent the situation also algebraically and graphically. Okay, that is the third question. Is it okay? And now here also you have to find 1 kg of apples cost and 1 kg of grapes cost. Okay, let now first here let the cost of 1 kg of apples be X rupees. First step. Again, you have to find the cost of 1 kg of grape. Let the cost of 1 kg of grapes be Y rupees. The first condition is first day he purchased 2 kgs of apples and 1 kg of grapes for 160 rupees. So the total cost of 2 kgs of apples means 1 kg of apples X rupees means 2 kg of apples 2X, and 1 kg of grapes Y rupees means Y rupees only. Then total means you can add both. 2x plus 6x plus y is equal to 160 rupees. That is the first equation. Understand? And then in second day, the fruit seller purchased 4 kg of apples and 2 kg of grapes for 300. So this also 1 kg apples X rupees, 4 kg means 4x, and 2 kg of apples 2y rupees, and total 300 rupees. Now the equation is 4x plus 2y equal to
2y plus
300. Two pair of linear equations. Baji Saida, mute when I am explaining. Mute. Huh?
First equation, sir. We didn't understand.
First equation, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just I am going back. Wait. Here the fruit seller purchased 2 kgs of apples and 1 kg of grapes, total for 160 rupees. So here, let the cost of 1 kg of apples you are supposing as X rupees, and cost of 1 kg of grapes is Y rupees, because you are finding 1 kg of apples cost and 1 kg of grapes cost you are finding. Okay, that's why you have to suppose as 1 kg of apples is X rupees and 1 kg of grapes be Y rupees. First day, the fruit seller purchased 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes. Total cost he asked. 1 kg of apples X rupees na? 2 kg means how much? How much? Tell me. Unmute and tell. Litish. 2x. 1 kg of grapes, Y rupees. Total means 2x plus Y equal to how much cost given? 160. So the first equation is 2x plus y equal to 160. Understand? Litish. Okay, now coming to second equation. In second day, the fruit seller purchased 4 kg of apples and 2 kg of grapes for 300. 4 kg of apples 4x rupees, 1 kg X rupees, 4 kg is 4x. 1 kg of grapes, y rupees, 2 kgs, 2y rupees. Total he said. So 4x plus 2y equal to 300. This is a second equation. Understand? Litish. Now it is okay, Litish?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you can copy. These are the two equations. Third solution you can copy. Amma, there 1 kg only. Again, I wrote one, I strike off. Already one I wrote now, that's why I put number. I strike off that number in first line. Let cost of 1 kg of apples be X rupees. Write down, Amma, fastly. This is a exercise 3.1, Amma. Only 21 participants are learning. What about they are missing it? Running out of time. The time is all left. Only 10 minutes left, Amma. Write fastly. Hey, Venkatesh, are you copying? Venkatesh.
Copying, sir.
Okay. Have you copied yesterday's graph?
Copying.
Yesterday graph.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Today
sir.
you have to complete 2 graphs, Amma. One is coincident lines, one
Yes.
graph. Example 2, example 3. These graphs.
Example 3.
Who can know, you can do it. Otherwise, don't try. I will once again explain
Yes, sir.
graphical representation to you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Who can able to do, you can do it.
Yes, sir.
Don't do. Graphically, I can explain. I will explain for you. Next time, I'm copy it fastly.
Copy, sir.
Everyone copied.
Completed, sir.
Okay,
sir.
very good. Now, the pair of linear equation solvation through graphically and we can represent by algebraically means those word problems you can convert into linear equations form. Understand? According to conditions, we can convert into pair of two equations. Two conditions they gave in the question, we can convert into two equations. Solve graphically only we have completed. Now solve algebraically, I will explain in next classes. Before that, the pair of linear equations in two variables. The pair of linear equations in two variables are the first condition is on the graph we observed they are intersecting. Second example we observed they are coincident lines. In third example observed they are parallel. So there are the three cases. In first case we get a one solution. Intersecting means 4, 2 one solution you got na yesterday. And coincident lines means every point on the line are the infinitely many solutions you will get. You will get infinitely many solutions. Wait, 1 minute, Amma. One minute. Mohit, now only joined, Mohit. I have not seen you.
No, sir.
Okay. Now, is it visible to you all? The screen share visible?
Yes, sir.
Wait. I'll go to that. Wait, I'll go to that. In C. Android phone, somebody are admitting. Somebody are joining now. Here, intersect lines you got. That means you have one solution in first example. And in second example, you have to draw today. I told to draw in graph sheet. Here you are getting infinitely many solutions. The second condition, infinitely many solutions you will get. Every point, 0, 3 is a solution, 3, 1 also is a solution, 4.5, 0 is also a solution. Only infinitely many solutions you will get. And see in this, the two lines are not intersecting anywhere. That's why we have no solution. First example, they intersect at one point. That's why one solution. In second example, coincident lines means every point is a solution. Infinitely, many solutions. In third example,
Sir.
here, the two lines are not intersecting. That's why no solution. Okay, these are the three conditions. In first condition, they're intersecting. But now I can take the attendance, closing time. Okay. I'll take the attendance, be ready. Yes. Galaxy, somebody Galaxy name kept, then I can take the attendance. Galaxy 350, somebody kept Android, somebody kept Android. Then how I know that Redmi kept oh, Srinidhi, you enter your name when you're entering Redmi not you when you're entering, type your name. Okay. You ask your friends or anyone. You enter next time. Redmi kept na. Okay. So these are the three conditions we have. Now time over means I can end it. Okay, no problem. I am continuing. First case, intersecting lines means one solution. Second case, coincident lines means infinitely many solutions. And third case, the two lines are not intersecting, they are parallel. That means no solutions. These are the three cases we can observe a pair of linear equation if you draw graphically. Okay, so that's why these are the three cases. For that, we have a conditions. Without drawing graph only, before only you can say there's a conditions, three conditions are there. Ma drawing that arrow marks, don't draw arrow marks on there. If I see, I will give the punishment. I will not allow those students. And the screen should not draw. Okay, who's that fellow? We can know that. Don't do like that arrow marks and all. Somebody are doing. Okay, should not do. And the pair of linear equations, they are parallel means they are not intersecting, so no solution. So like that, these are the three possible ways we have. If you draw graphically, good, very good student. Don't do like that. You learn the knowledge. Don't do such things. Good students. You are very good. Start only yesterday. You are all very good students. Utilize the time. This will continue 1 month or 2 months like this only. So we should learn like this only. When your school opens, you don't know. You should learn like this only. You also learn knowledge, how to operate your mobile phones through this, and utilize for education only, not for other purpose. Okay, good. Shrestha, raise your hand. What do you want, Amma? Yes, tell me. Unmute your phone and ask.
Sir, can we note down this in the class work also?
No need. You rougher key did na? That I will tell when you have to copy it in rougher key note down na? I will tell. Can you copy it? Okay. After 2-3 classes, I'll tell. Then you can copy in the class, sir. Okay. Now go through textbook also at home. Today's homework is you have to do example to example. How is the online class, Amma? Is it okay to you? Is it comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Are you feeling happy?
Yes, sir.
Staying at home and listening the class. Is it okay to you?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Very good. And don't do silly things, Amma. Kindly time are there. That's why we are going fast. You should not do silly things. And in between, time waste. Somebody are admitting in the middle. Don't do like that. 23 participants, still 37 are there. 10 members are not joining. They lost the class. Don't do like that. I telephone personally each and every parent who are there in WhatsApp group. Still only 23 are joined. With me 24. Kindly, okay. 9:36. Only time is there. Still one more time is there. What I don't know. Okay. Understand today's what I thought?
Sir.
First one, Intersecting lines means one solution. Pair of linear equations having one solution. If they are coincident line means every point on the graph, every point is solution. That's why infinitely many solutions. Now third example, you have a parallel line means they are not intersecting, no solution. Like this means we can say first example and second example means the equations are stop the video. Stop video. Okay. In first two cases, we can say the equations are consistent. Consistent means the equations having unique solution, means intersecting lines on the graph sheet. Such type of equations are called consistent. Second example also coincident partner, that also consistent but dependent solution. In bracket we can say dependent solution. Example 1, example